Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will share my tablea cake recipe. For the ingredients, we need 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Then, we have 3/4 cup tablea. Chinap ko na ng maliliit. And then, 1 3/4 cup hot water para madaling matunaw si tablea. Then, we need 1/2 cup unsalted butter. Kailangan medyo soft na. 1 1/4 cup granulated white sugar, 3 pieces whole eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. And then for the ganache, we need 250 grams of bittersweet chocolate. This is Beryl's. And then 100 grams tablea. Tapos 1 cup cream. So first, melt muna natin si tablea sa hot water. You can also mix here the cocoa powder. So, after nung tablea, get a bigger bowl, tapos mix natin here si butter and sugar first. After the butter and the sugar, lagay na natin si eggs. And then mix again. After the eggs, mix muna natin si dry ingredients. The salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Then lagay natin si dry ingredients. Half ng dry ingredients. Here, you can put the vanilla extract, baka makalimutan. Then, let's put the hot water, yung tablea, at saka yung cocoa powder. Lastly, lagay natin yung dry ingredients. And then, mix niyo siya until wala nang flour na makita. Then, bake na natin. Then, bake na natin 9" by 3 na baking pan. Okay? Let's bake this one around 40 to 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So, while binibake natin si tablea cake, let's make the tablea ganache. Okay? So, boil water. Tapos, melt mo si bittersweet chocolate. If walang bittersweet, you can always use dark chocolate. Then, the tablea. Hindi pwedeng puro tablea or else, pait naman masyado. Melt this and then add your cream later. Okay? Once melted, lagay na natin si cream. After that, set aside natin to. Then, once malamig na si cake, lagyan na natin ng ganache. Okay? First coat. Dalawang coating gagawin natin. Then, lagyan lang natin ng konting magulong decoration on top. Okay? Ikot lang. Let's dust some cocoa powder. There you go. Our tablea cake. Again, for the ingredients, guys, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!